The idea of making merch for your stream, your YouTube channel, your Instagram has become such like a necessary thing these days. A lot of people think that it's really hard, it costs a lot of money, and it takes a lot of work from you. I want to let you in on a little baby secret. Making your own merch, not hard at all. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own merch store for free. Add your own merch onto a design of a shirt, hoodie, mouse pad, and then also how to get paid from it. To make our store, we will be using a software called Stream Elements, which is a website online. This website not only helps you with merch, but it also helps you with streaming if that's what you're using it for. I have a tutorial for that up in the top right now. The great thing about Stream Elements is that the company itself takes care of all of the shipping, the processing, and the handling for you. So it's free to set it up. It's free to add your own items onto your shirt, and you get it for a really good price if you want to buy one for yourself. To get started, we're going to head to the first link in the description, which will bring you to streamelements.com. From here, what you're going to do is log in, and you can log in with your Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook, however or whatever you have your following on or whatever you have your stream on. After logging in, this is the first screen that you will be met with. In order to get to your merch store, we're going to go down into revenue and then click on SE merch. If you have a logo, then this is where you'll drop it right here in your drop logo here box. You'll click this and then find it somewhere inside of your computer. If you don't have a logo and are looking to make one, I will soon have a Learn Photoshop in 30 minutes video coming out very soon on this channel. But in the meantime, down in the description below, there is a service called Fiverr where you can buy a logo editor. They will edit your logo to your liking, send it to you, and then you'll place it into Stream Elements. But please make sure that whenever you get your logo made or you're starting to create your own logo, make sure that you save it at 2000 pixels, at least 2000 by 2000 pixels, and then also in the PNG format. Stream Elements will love you. After uploading your design, just accept their terms of use. And then now we have our store. Basically, I mean, it kind of sets you up already. By scrolling down, you can see that the t-shirt has already been made, the hoodie's already been made, the mouse pad has been made, the sticker has been made, and the coffee cup has been made. Let's open and edit one of these guys just to see the parameters that you guys can mess around with, change, and customize for your store. I'm gonna head into the t-shirt. And as you can see, first off, you can first move the logo around, whatever your logo is. So if you want like a pocket logo, you can do that type of design. They also make it really easy for you. That way you don't have to kind of move it around and just kind of guess where it's at. They do have an align tab here where you can align it to the pocket. You can align it to the chest center. They have different options for filters, so you can invert it or make your logo black and white. They also have this new pattern. Not really the biggest fan of it, but if you have a small logo and it looks good, then hey, that's something that you can do as well. You can change the size of it, and you can also change the spacing of it as well. You can add a filter onto that. I'm going to get rid of the pattern. Off to the left, you have product details. You can choose what color options they have. Something like this brown, I don't think would look good. Well, that's actually not that bad of a color. Not going to lie. Kind of like the tan. I was thinking that it was going to be more of a poop brown, but you know, there is a maximum of 5. So choose the best 5 looking ones. If you're like, man, I really like all 6 of these, you'll have to make another t-shirt. Something new that Stream Elements merch has also added are layers. You have the ability to add multiple logos to one shirt. I believe they had a certain way of doing this, but it was kind of a roundabout way. Now you can add layers in general from your Stream Elements gallery or your uploads. You can add text or shapes to your merch, whatever you're making. Super customizable, be creative with it. And then finally, we can export and save. Exporting your design will be for promotion. So you can put this shirt onto your Instagram or wherever. You can save it as your own PNG image. And so that can go in a certain post or on a video, or later on down the line in a different video. You can also make slide-in animations that will come in and have your shirts pop up and be like, hey, buy this merch type deal. Super cool stuff. And it's all inside of Stream Elements. Here is where you'll rename your item. And so the item names that they give you are not the best names to choose from. So you can change it to whatever you like. I'm gonna call this one logo t-shirt. Creator note is just a description of what is on the shirt. Most items that people buy have descriptions, so I'd recommend putting that there. As you can see, your minimum price is $13.90. That's the cost for Stream Elements to buy and create the shirt. And then whatever you choose, it'll say your profit. So if I really want to sell a $250 shirt, then I'm going to get $236 of profit. Don't do that. After you click save, you'll be redirected back to your store and your item will be updating and it'll save. I think it takes a minute or so. You'll go through and edit each one of your items to your liking on how you would like to set it up. If you would like to delete an item or just unpublish it and take it off of the store for a while, or if you have a certain drop date that you want to drop stuff, you can unpublish it. It'll save here inside of Stream Elements. Then you can publish it whenever that time comes. You can also create new, and they have been going crazy with how much they have been adding. You now have stuff like a blanket and a long sleeve tee and a zip-up hoodie. You can have a bunch of stuff now. I'm still waiting for hats. Hats are one thing that I really wish Stream Elements would dive into. I do believe you have a beanie? Question mark? Do you have a beanie? Negative on the beanie. You do have Kiss Cut stickers though, so all is well. So now let's say you've gone through and you have edited all of your items. We're going to head off to the marketing side of things. If it's summer or winter, you can add a summer or winter effect on your site and it'll have cute little beach balls or snowflakes falling down. They also, scrolling down, give you panels, alerts, and widgets for promotion, just like we were talking about earlier. To download these, you'll make the drop down, choose whichever one you like, and then click download, and then they'll save as their own PNG image. You can save the type of color that you want for all of these. They also have this cool 3D alert whenever somebody buys merch. Not many people use that. I think it's just because they know where it comes from. However, it is cool to copy or customize and then put inside of your stream. They have a chatbot command and timer. I would recommend using this. It's as simple as just clicking the add button and setting up the parameters inside of there. It will default to 30 minutes and a minimum of 5 chat lines. So if only 4 people have chatted and it's been 30 minutes, it still won't put another ad out for them. That way it's not clogging up your chat. Last thing is that it does have 10 tips on how to maximize the merch store potential. You can watch this video for it. I will tell you right now, I have not watched that video. I'm condoning it, but I have no idea what it says in there. So I hope it says good things. Let's head over to the payment tab. This is where you'll withdraw your money whenever you have $20 in there. You'll have to have a minimum of $20. This is also where your order history will be. So once you have merch sold, you will see that here. Lastly, we'll head to the settings. This is really important. Name your store whatever you want. Choose the email that you want confirmations to come from, and please replace your header image. You can save it right here after you're done with all of that, and then there you can take your store online. Whenever you take your store online, you will apparently not get a link. You'll have to go to your store to copy the link to your store. And already here is what our store looks like. They have updated how things look to make it look better tenfold, I'd say. Now you can actually choose the different types of things that you have in your store. You have new arrivals. It looks so much better than it used to. And that is how you create your own merch store and merch for completely free, no hassle. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, do all the YouTube things. Thank you all so much for watching. One more thing, streaming non-copyright. If you guys need music for your streams, is a completely free source for you guys. It's like 800 hours of songs on there. All DMCA safe, ready to go. You just click the button. You'll never go, oh, I've already heard this song about 4 times. Thank you, Harris Heller. It's an open resource for you to use. I hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.